Okay, let's consider a new problem. The limit as x goes to 0 of sine of x cubed over x cubed. So we see we have an inside function of x cubed. We want to engage in a change of variables, so let's let t equal x cubed. Then we see as x goes to 0, t goes to 0, 0 cubed is 0. So the original problem can be rewritten in terms of our new variable t. The limit as t goes to 0 of the sine of t over t. And again, this is our well-known limit of 1. Done. Again, when you're doing this problem, it's imperative that you write and show the actual change of variables. And you have to compute where t is going in the limit. i.e., what we did here, we just said the limit as x goes to 0 of t. Where is t going? Well, what is t? T is x cubed, so that's going to 0. Okay, that's an important and imperative part of the problem.